These easy fall pipe cleaner pumpkins look great for decoration anywhere in the house. I plan to make a bunch and put them down the center of my Thanksgiving table. For this project, you will need 10 orange and 1 green extra fuzzy pipe cleaners, fingernail clippers, and some fake fall leaves. You can use regular pipe cleaners as well, but increase the number of orange ones to 16. The first step is to bend each pipe cleaner into a circle and attach the ends. Use about a ½ inch on each side and twist them around tightly so it won't come apart. Then pull the ends so it's oval shaped. Do this with all of the orange pipe cleaners and try to make them close to the same size. Gather up half of the pipe cleaners, so 5, and make sure that all of the twisted ends are in the same spot. Thread the end of the green pipe cleaner through the ovals and twist it around right over the spot where the ovals are joined together. Gather up the other half of the circles, making sure that you line up the conjoined part. Thread these onto the green pipe cleaner. Hold them close to the first set. Then wrap the green pipe cleaner through and around all of the sections to hold them all together. End with the pipe cleaner straight up through the top, and then adjust all of the ovals around to make a nice pumpkin shape. Clip off the extra green pipe cleaner with the fingernail clippers. The leaves I have are a little big proportionally to the pumpkin, so I'm just going to trim off the ends to make them a little smaller. I'll be using about 8 or 9 leaves. Hold the leaves together in a bundle and then take the end of the rest of the green pipe cleaner and wrap it tightly around the base to hold everything in place. Send the end of the green pipe cleaner up through the middle of your bundle of leaves. You can trim off the ends of the leaves, the stems, if they're too long. Grab the pipe cleaner about 1 inch up from the base and form a stem. End with the end of the pipe cleaner facing down. Now insert the bundle of leaves into the center of the pumpkin with that extra green stem. So stick it down in and then wrap it around just however you can to hold it into place. This part will be a little bit awkward, just do the best that you can. Then arrange your leaves so that they're spread out nicely all around the top of the pumpkin. Once everything looks good, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.